some shit to you. So imagine you, right? A human being, right? You was a baby, right? You got parents. You started elementary school, went through middle school, high school, graduated high school, went to college, graduated college, got a job, got married, had kids, had grandkids, lived a long life, passed away when you was 80, died, stayed in the astral realm, spiritual realm, the reincarnation realm, say about, it can vary. It can take up to 100 years. It could be 9 months, you know. It can particularly vary. It just depends on how ready your soul is to come back. Right? So you spend this time in this realm, and then you come back. But you come back as a baby. And you forget every fucking thing that happened the previous 999,000 fucking times. Do you know how frustrating that is? Y'all, give me a thumbs up if you can understand the concept of where I'm coming from with this shit. Because if you think that this is your first life, that's why when you born, you cry. My son didn't cry. They had to really make him cry because they was a little weird. They was like, hold on, we got to look at him a little close because he didn't cry, and we just making sure he cool. And he like, I'm cool. I just knew I wanted to come back, and I knew I wanted to come back here. So we good. We arranged this, right? More liberation is at need, because when you talk about a coronavirus, shit, let's talk about the world's biggest virus of them all, called humanity. That's a virus for your ass. Humanity, you ever caught that shit? Oh, ain't no cure for humanity, right? Your ass gonna be a fucking baby and do this shit all over again? Are you kidding me? And that's not even the worst part. The worst part is that you forget that you even done all of this stupid shit. You mean to tell me I gotta go to elementary school again? I gotta start shitting on myself again and goddamn diapers and pissing on myself again? Hell no. What kind of parents am I? Sometimes we try to be good parents, but sometimes John will fucking tumble off the goddamn bed. You mean to tell me I gotta come through this shit and start rolling off fucking beds again? Oh, hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. I'm done. Because I'm not going to forget again, right? I'm not forgetting again, right? So when we reference consciousness, the conscious community, now titled the subconscious community, there is something different that we have to understand about this shit. If you trying to establish yourself in a worldly fashion, wrong answer. Try again. It's goddamn Jumanji in effect. Don't die 3 times. Then you gonna have to come back and start over again and forget everything that you learn, everything that you realize. Cause you a goddamn baby again, getting smacked on the ass. Your ass might come back at goddamn Iran, ISIS, goddamn, in one of them goddamn clay huts. What about that shit? And be shoveled from town to town in Iran and Palestine and shit. Little baby getting bombed on and shit for no fucking reason. Man, look, I'm done, okay? I am done. Super done, right?